So for the nitrogen cycle, it starts out pretty basic. You've got stuff like your plants over here, and if they're live plants, they may be dying, so they're going to be putting in some waste. You've got you feeding them, and if you feed too much, that's going to add to the waste. And then you've got your poorly drawn fish. And they're going to be putting waste in there too. So all of this waste gets broken down by these little tiny bacteria who are awesome. And first it is ammonia. So first bacteria takes this ammonia, breaks it down into something called nitrite, which is minus. And then from here, there is another kind of bacteria that comes through here, breaks all this NO2 down into nitrate, which is NO3 plus. And this is the end of the cycle. There is really no way you can, or the bacteria can take the nitrates out of the water. So that's when you come in and do your water change. So draw it down here. So that's what takes out the nitrates. And then also these live plants, if you have them in there, will absorb some of the nitrates as their fertilizer. So you kind of have this nice little ongoing cycle, which is why it's called the nitrogen cycle. That will continually go on in your tank, and that's what this little test kit tests for. The ammonia and the nitrite are the more toxic of these chemicals, and so that's why we always suggest that you wait a little while before you put fish in to make sure that there's a small population. That's what this red bottle in here does. It starts that population up for you. Then to slowly introduce fish so that you don't add too many at one time and have a major ammonia spike, which could potentially cause you to lose your fish.